Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, we have made a very simple and easy to trade indicator called MST iCore 2.0 after putting our 15 years of experience in trading and investing. If you want to really make a profit from the share market, what you need to have is patience, proper knowledge, and a proper supporting tool. Once you get our MST iCore 2.0, you will get patience, you will get proper knowledge, and this will be your proper guiding tool. Okay. Now I tell you how to add this indicator to your chart and what and all there in our indicator. Few days back I released one full training video in Tamil. Now I will release the same concept in English. So what I will do, I will just go to this indicator and I will remove this. Also I will make the settings into default so that whenever you get the indicators or when you open the values, it will be appearing very simple. So this is status line, nothing is there. Okay, I have cleared everything. And here I will go, I will remove the labels also. I will remove the labels. Now you have to subscribe to our indicator. Once you are subscribed, our indicator will be visible in invite only. This is the invite only mode. So open the indicator icon, click on it, then directly come to invite only option and select the indicator MST iCore 2.0 easy to trade version. Just one click enough. Just close. After that, what you are supposed to do? I will just, before that I will tell one thing. Before that, what we are supposed to do? See here, nothing is visible. No sell, no buy, no price value is there, nothing is there, no labels are there. So now, once you got this indicator, you will also see these two enabled, okay, arguments and values. So in this indicator, all the parameters which we have used will be visible. That will be a disturbance for you. For that, go to the top settings, status line, and remove these arguments and values under indicator option. If you remove these titles, then the indicator name also will be invisible. So go there and just enable MST iCore 2.0 indicator title and remove arguments and values. That's all. And next, go to the settings which is at the bottom, go to labels and enable financial name labels. Now the label has appearing here, first buy, second sell, first sell and second buy. Also go to the settings, labels and scroll down. Here you can see value. The first one what we enabled, that is name labels, and the next one what we are going to enable, it is value, that is a price. Now the price also appearing here. So this is the basic setup. Once you have to do in your lifetime. That's all. You don't have to do every day. Once in a lifetime you have to do. Next one, I will just open the market and I will show you as if market has just opened. Okay. Now I am making the market to run. Now we are ready. The indicator is ready that if the market is coming down at 1641, we have to buy. If the market is going here, we have to sell. 1663, we have to sell. Now you can ask, what is the SL for the sell entry? The first line is the entry point, the next line is the SL point. Similarly, here the first line is the entry point, the bottom second line is the SL. So similarly, for the second entry, suppose say buy activated, target hits, no problem, we can enjoy. It is not happening all the day. If we SL hit, what we have to do? We have to go for the reversal trade. Okay, that also I will explain you very clearly with the example. Now we are ready with both pending order. Now buy has been activated. See here, exactly buy has been activated. Now we have to go back to settings and we have to enable the targets. So don't think that every day I am making some changes. I am not making any changes. What he can do, once buy activated, he can straight away expect the market to come and touch the midpoint. That is also possible. That is also possible, but sometimes if it is not touching exactly, you may have to lose your profit. So that is why we have kept the stop loss and target here. See here, what is the high made? 1652, 1652.30, and here high made 1652, and our stop entry target is 1652.63. So we missed the target just by 30 paisa. 30 paisa, that also we should not do. That is why we have kept here targets. Go to the settings. Since buy activated, remove the sell. Enable first buy targets. Also enable second sell targets. Suppose if we sell hit, we have to reverse the trade. That's all. Now you can see what has happened. Buy activated, first target hit, second target hit, and third target almost hit. We missed the third target by 20 paisa. Here we missed the third target by 20 paisa. Once again market is coming, you can ask me, sir, can we take the entry again? Yes, you can take, no issue. Again we got perfect entry, the same stop loss. And how many targets this time we got? 2.5 targets we have got. At least we could have booked at a second target. Okay, so this is the HDFC. Now you can ask me, sir, what happened to your favorite index? Nifty, bank, Nifty, everything I will show you one by one. So here what happened? Exactly buy activated. So here if we see, I have kept it default settings, but Bank Nifty we are supposed to keep tiny to. Bank Nifty, Bank X, and other scripts like which are trading above 50,000, we have to keep tiny to. So now what happened? See here, buy activated, first target hit, second target hit, third target hit. If you don't trust me, I will go here, I will just give in reset settings, and I will just reduce the stop loss and target. That's all. Buy act. Once if you want me to bar replay, I will do bar replay also. So now we are ready. See here, if market is coming to the top zone, we will be buying put option. If the market is coming down to bottom zone, we will be buying call option. If SL hit, we will reverse the trade, otherwise we will book the trade. If buy activated, there is no sell until SL hit. If sell activated, there is no buy until SL hit. Per day one trade. If profit booked, enjoy. If loss booked, go for the reversal trade. There also if you are getting loss, don't worry, you can close the system. Next day you can take the trade. Don't take revenge on the market. So now we are ready. Let us see what is going to happen. Yeah, buy has been activated. Exactly, buy has been activated. Now you have to take the corresponding call option buy. Either ATM buy or ITM buy or OTM buy. Go to the settings to know the targets. First buy targets. And this MGR point you can remove, and you can, instead of that, you can take DBP. DBP is the demand zone bottom pivot. DBP means D for demand, B for bottom, P for pivot. So this is the demand zone. So the midpoint between first buy and second sell. So now, yeah, perfectly. First target hit, second target hit, third target also hit. Actually, D stands for daily, not demand zone. Okay, because for DTP you have given, that is not demand, that is supply zone. So if we are meaning demand zone, here I have to change it STP. STP means supply top pivot. That like that I have to change it. So I meant D for daily, because I have kept here the time from daily. Clear? So now up to this only our trading, it got over. First target hit, second target hit, third target hit. If you want to trade again, once again if it is coming here, you can take with the same stop loss. Otherwise, if it is hitting the SL from the bottom second point, you can go for the second sell buying put option buy. See here, both side we got the target. First buy activated, targets hit. Once again, this is the big Bahubali candle. We will not be taking the entry immediately, so we are waiting to break this level. Now second sell activated and all the targets hit. Once again buy activated, 2 targets hit. Once again sell activated, all the targets hit. So now if we see all the side, whenever it is touching our buy entry or sell entry, our SL is always safe. Our SL is always safe. And we are telling you to keep minimum 40 point stop loss in option. 40 point stop loss in option. See here how perfectly all the targets have been hit. First target, second target, third target, fourth target. So from here if we see one bullish engulfing has formed. Bullish engulfing has formed. And to know the next buy zone, here we have given next buy zone. Where is next buy zone? Next buy zone is here only. Okay, market has not given that much movement. If market is coming and touching here, we can again go for the buy entry. So for that you can use some candlestick pattern if you know, like hammer, doji, inverted hammer, bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bullish morbozu, bearish morbozu. So all those things we have given in the indicator itself. If you want, you can choose it. Otherwise simply you can go for this version, easiest version. Nothing is difficult. Okay, Bank Nifty over. Next I will show you Nifty. So in Nifty what happened? Again I will go here, I will go to the settings, I will give default settings. Here also buy activated. Go to the settings, buy target and sell target. That's all. So in buy, first target hit. Second sell, first target hit, second target hit, third target accurately hit, then it has given the reversal. Again sell activated, it is touching, almost touched our entry. Okay, so all the side we are getting the target. Next one, Bank X. Bank X. See here, this is 1:2 ratio. I mean big SL we have kept tiny, we are supposed to keep tiny too. So I will go here and I will change it. See here how perfectly we got the entry. First buy entry activated, 3 targets accurately hit, exactly hit. Again second sell activated, all the targets hit, it has given extra 3 targets also. Okay, once again first buy activated, almost 2 targets hit. So if you want me to show you the scripts which are available in the market, I can keep on showing you. Right, so it will take more time. Go to the settings and you can see we have given very clearly, very simple settings. What is that? First buy, first sell. If first buy SL hit, go for the second sell. If first sell SL hit, go for the second buy. Okay, now the corresponding targets. That's all. I can give by default. Okay, I can make it everything by default enabled like this. Now what will happen, you know? See here, all the lines will be visible like this. So it will not be clear and crisp. That's why I have made only 2 lines to be visible once the market has opened. It will show you this zone and mid zone. That's all. Okay, hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us on the given number 9500009154. So hope all the things are very clear. We will be very happy to answer all your calls and we will be very happy to solve all your queries. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.